Join me as I dive into the world of 3D printing and see if I can create a custom cornea in just 10 minutes to help restore sight. The field of ophthalmology has just witnessed a game-changing innovation: 3D printing custom corneas. This cutting-edge technology has the potential to restore sight to millions of people worldwide who are suffering from corneal blindness. Imagine being able to print a functional cornea in just 10 minutes, offering new hope to those in need. Corneal blindness is a major cause of vision loss globally, affecting millions of people. The current solution is a cornea transplant, but there's a severe shortage of donor corneas. Many patients have to wait months or even years for a transplant, and the success rate is not guaranteed. The process is also quite invasive and requires a significant amount of post-operative care. The traditional cornea transplant process is not only limited by the availability of donor corneas but also comes with risks such as rejection and infection. This makes the search for alternative solutions more urgent. Researchers have been exploring new ways to create artificial corneas that can be customized to individual patients' needs. The lack of donor corneas and the limitations of traditional transplants highlight the need for innovative solutions. This is where 3D printing comes into play. By using 3D printing technology, scientists can create custom corneas that match the specific requirements of each patient. The 3D printing process involves using a bioink made from living cells and biomaterials. This bioink is carefully crafted to replicate the structure and function of a natural cornea. The printing process itself takes around 10 minutes, and the resulting cornea is remarkably similar to a natural one. The bioink used for 3D printing corneas is a complex mixture of cells and biomaterials. It needs to be strong enough to support the structure of the cornea while also being compatible with the patient's body. Researchers have made significant progress in developing bioinks that meet these requirements. In a groundbreaking trial, scientists successfully transplanted 3D printed corneas into patients. The results were nothing short of miraculous. Patients who had been blind for years were able to regain their sight. One such patient was Sarah, who had been waiting for a cornea transplant for over a year. After receiving her 3D printed cornea, Sarah's vision began to improve dramatically. She's now able to see her loved ones and even drive again. The impact on her daily life has been immense. Stories like Sarah's demonstrate the life-changing potential of this technology. The successful trials of 3D printed corneas mark a significant milestone in the field of vision restoration. Millions of people worldwide could benefit from this innovation. The possibility of restoring sight to those in need has never been more promising. In conclusion, the breakthrough in 3D printing custom corneas is a beacon of hope for millions of people worldwide. The possibility of restoring sight to those in need has never been more promising. I'm excited to see where this technology will go from here. If you've got any thoughts on this incredible innovation, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my other videos on medical innovations and the latest advancements in technology.